American company with over 30 years of history, Clean Air Industries has been protecting the health and safety of people who work in tough industrial environments. We specialize in air filtration systems for manufacturing, industries where dust, smoke, and fumes are a constant concern.
I think probably our greatest strength is that we have a lot of years of industry knowledge and experience. We really understand what our customers need, and we're able to come up with creative, practical, and very effective solutions to help them with their air filtration needs.
We're committed to making the best products that we can and also having the best service that we can.
When we talk about air quality, we're not just talking about meeting a regulation. We're talking about the real, day-to-day impacts on hard-working people. People who spend their careers inside production facilities. That's why we are committed to making products that are reliable and built to last.
We fabricate everything in-house. So, we don't have our supply chain issues as bad as other companies do have right now. We can control our quality, we can control lead times better because we aren't relying on other vendors.
Our expertise allows us to communicate with our clients and deliver appropriate, cost-effective air quality management solutions. You can count on us to stand behind our products for the long haul.
If a customer needs something, they can send us an email, they can call us. They're going to get a real person on the other end of the line, which is great. Not some automated voicemail, press 7.
Providing a great customer experience is critical to our business. Those relationships are built on trust. Customers need to know that when they turn on our system, it's going to do the job right the first time. No surprises.
We know that in order to be a bigger and better business, we need to be working with people who are investing in sales and investing in relationships and ultimately giving them the tools that they need to continue to grow those relationships.
When it comes down to it, what we do is about people. It's about making sure that the person welding a frame or finishing a product isn't putting their health on the line just to do their job. It's about giving families peace of mind that when their loved one comes home, they're coming home healthy. At Clean Air Industries, we're proud to be a part of that effort every single day. We may build air filtration systems, but what we're really doing is helping keep people safe. And that's what's driven us for the last 30 years. And it's what will keep driving us for the next 30 and beyond.
The corporate world can be a tough place out there. And when you come into a company like this that really cares about its employees, really cares about its customers, it's just a breath of fresh air. It really is.